thank you for joining us. Our morning outlook will focus on the BTC US dollar, recent developments and the potential impact on the markets. Let's hear from Javier in our trading room.
The Bitcoin dipped a slight 0.1% against the dollar in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The last session saw Tesla's stock gain 1.9%. The RSI is giving a negative signal. The last session saw the Aussie gain 0.4% against the dollar. The CCI is giving a positive signal. The gold-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, gaining 0.1%. The ROC is giving a positive signal.
Thank you, Javier, for your insightful trading ideas. Moving on to world headlines.
Saudi Arabia's crude oil exports fell to their lowest level in 28 months, as the world's largest oil exporter continued to cut production. Exports fell to 5.58 million barrels per day. The US dollar swayed in a tight range as investors took stock of developments in the Middle East and braced for speeches this week by central bank officials, while the pound dipped as data indicated a softening labour market. New European Union rules that let tax authorities share data on individuals' crypto holdings were formally adopted by the bloc's finance ministers. The document will now be published in the EU's official journal and enter into force 20 days later.
Thank you, Javier. And now let's go through today's major economic events.
Japan's exports will be released at 23:50 GMT, the UK's Consumer Price Index at 0600 hours GMT, the Eurozone's Harmonised Index of Consumer Prices at 0900 hours GMT. Japan's imports will be released at 23:50 GMT, the Austrian HICP at 0700 hours GMT, the US housing starts at 12:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in for the latest news and events from the financial markets.